Hi you guys, today we're in Williams, Arizona. To go ride a freaking Alpine Coaster! I've always wanted to ride an Alpine Coaster, and this will be my first one ever. As well as Spencer's
I've
first
never
time.
ridden one before, probably still too.
Yes. Sorry, I thought I didn't mean to pan away so quick. I was like getting ready to ask Jim. Have you ridden one before?
I have ridden one, yes, on the East Coast.
Oh my
Yes,
gosh.
I can't remember the name of it.
We're in the
Wow.
presence
So this won't even be fun
of
for you.
grand experience. Also, if I sound a little sick, it's because I've got like a cold or a sinus infection or something. I'm not COVID positive. I already tested myself. We are clear. She is not here. She's not in the building. I am just incredibly congested. Let's freaking go. Canyon Coaster.
Mountain tubing pricing. Single ride, 20 bucks.
You guys got the tickets? First though, we gotta go back to the car really quick to put the bags away because there's like nowhere really to put the bags unless we got a locker. It's like the same distance to the car versus the locker, so. Car is free. Secure the bags.
Secure the bag.
Oh cool, here's the station. Nice, the line doesn't look too bad either. Let's go. Oh, there's a chain lift, also very quiet. Let's get him go. Bye. Yay. My car. I am. Alrighty.
Please don't forget to push those handles all the way forward at the top of the hill, or you will have to wear the hat of shame.
Oh no, the hat of shame. What does the hat of shame look like?
We haven't figured it out yet. I just use that as an example. There is a tree of shame.
Oh, the tree of
If you guys
shame.
go by that, you'll see it. It's the tree of shame. Everybody that loses hats, we hang them there.
Oh, nice. Here we go. No hands. Oh my gosh. This is amazing. We're on an Alpine Coaster, you guys. Let's go. Woo! Bye, Spencer. Bye, Jim. The weather is phenomenal right now. It is literally like 80 something degrees. And we just came up from Phoenix where it has literally been 112. I really hope no one's going slow in front of me. Like, I want to fly down this. I want to be scared for my life on this thing. These are some steep drops though. We got to be on the lookout for the tree of shame as well. There's the American flag. We're almost to the start of our journey. American flag. It's time to press forward. Go! Woo! Yeah! All right, first Alpine Coaster experience. I'm so excited. Let's go! Oh, we're already going pretty quick here. Here, 80 feet. Okay, I don't know. Holy shit! Ah! Whoa! 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 Hey, Jim! Woo! Woo! Yo, this is awesome! Whoa! Oh, it slowed me down for me. That's the tree of shame. I saw it. Woo! Whoa! Yeah! Let's go! Whoa! Whoa! It slows you down automatically if you don't slow yourself down. Holy crap! Yay, wiggles! Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle! Woo! 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 This is awesome! Woo! Woo! Yeah! Oh, that was great! That was so awesome! Slow down. You guys, that was so much fun. I loved it. I can't wait to do it again. Spencer!
Dude, that was freaking sick.
So fast. Yeah. Did you touch the brakes at all?
I touched the brakes at a couple of parts. I was a little scared. I was like,
I sent it.
I was
sent it
like,
the whole way.
they just
No
put
brakes.
my card on, and so I was like, what if it flies off?
What if it's not locked in all the way?
Right.
Here comes Jim.
Jim, what'd you think?
That was good.
Nice. Yeah, that was so fun.
That's like extra fast.
All right, next up, we're gonna go do the tubing, the summer tubing slides. We gotta walk up all these stairs first. So I guess we grab our tubes first. No one really like instructed us on how this works, but let's do it. Dibs on blue. Here we go. Come on, tube. Tube time. Time to tube.
Tubby wooby.
Tubey wooby.
Tubby.
Ooh. Our tubes are not tied.
Oh, is that the tubing?
Oops, this is the coaster. There's the tube. What?
I'm just
Oh! Dead. Caterpillar time. On the sides. Whoa. He's like falling over. Get them go. Yeah, that's cool. They're synced. Alrighty. I'll go here. 1, 2, 3, go! Oh no, I'm dead last! I lost.
I still see your shadows in my room. Can't take back the love that I gave.
Here we go.
I'm gonna win again.
We'll see about that. 1,
Round
2,
3,
3, go! Dang, I got going fast on that one.
I'm gonna win again.
Tubing was really fun. We're running to the car really quick so I can get my handheld mount thing for my GoPro. I guess take off my chest mount since I'm not going to use it. And then we've got some more tubing and another ride on the coaster. I love the train. These are the merches. I just took their picture and they asked me if I had a YouTube channel, so I was like yes, and they're all subscribing, so shout out to the merches. Hey! Ooh, we're both red. Good one. Oh, thank you. Yeah, all good. We love those awkward moments. Our hands just like danced around each other as I was trying to find the leash.
Oh, yeah, and you got that.
Yeah. They need to get you an umbrella out here. Oh yeah, they don't have them up there either.
It's super expensive.
Come on, Canyon Coaster Adventure Park. Jumps on your tube.
I lay on it so
I know, I do too. Let's walk. Or run. Okay. Oh. Sorry. Oh, my GoPro's only on 39%. I might have to go to the car and get my other battery. Another car trip. I've gone to the car like 4 times already. If I included every single time I went to the car, this vlog would probably be a lot boring. A lot less entertaining, I think is what I meant to say. That was so fun. I got such a good spin. Yeah, you were going for that. Yeah. Alright, so I messed up with buying my tickets. I didn't pay close enough attention to the pricing system. It's actually like the best deal if you get the 5 slides, because from 3 rides to 5 rides, like you get 2 more rides for only $5 more. I wasn't like fully paying attention and only got 3 rides. So Spencer's going to go do his last ride because he gave 1 to Jim. He bought the 5 ride. And we are gonna stand down here and watch. Do it together. Oh my God, Spencer's going. Go Spencer! Oh wait, shit, that's not Spencer. Oh my God, I'm such a mess. There he is, he's up there. Oh. Go Spencer! Hey yo. Slay serve. Oh, he's spinning. He's gonna get a big spinning start. He's spinning in place. There we go. And he's up. Oh, he's spinning fast. Congrats! Oh my God, dude, how was that race?
And by the way,
Hey yo,
she told me
epic.
at the top of the points, what's the fastest?
This one?
Yeah, you guys got gypped.
Oh,
Sorry.
wait, I did that one.
And
I
I
actually
also-
did it before you. We were leaving the tubes and I'm getting ready to ride the Alpine Coaster again. I was like, I need to go to the bathroom before I ride because I gotta pee. But then I was like, wait, that could also be really good content if I pee my pants on the Alpine Coaster. Title and thumbnail done. Peeing my pants on an Alpine Coaster. He almost saw me record, but I like looked away just in time. Did you get his number?
I think I might have to talk to him again.
Okay, well,
I'm nervous.
I think he'll still be here. Anyway, time to ride the Alpine Coaster. Oh heck yeah, you guys, we got a walk on. Epic walk on moment. Oh wait, this is tubing. Shoot, where's my coaster one? It was in my other pocket. Is that my old one? You guys got yours ready, you can go ahead. Oh, there it is. I scanned my old ticket. Yay! Woo! How's it going?
It's going great!
Hey, that's what's up. You're amazing. Right, gotta get buckled in. Clicked in. Oh, the seatbelt's all flooped up. Okay.
Pushing them all the way forward will make you go. Halfway back will slow you down. Yep.
Bye, Alex.
Here we go. Alpine Coaster, round 2. All good. I'll just add a bunch of motion blur.
Yeah. Bye, Alex.
Bye, Spencer.
See ya.
See you later.
That was so. Look at him go. It's so fast.
Woo! Yeah! Let's go. All right, we're at the top. Oh, American Eagle. I mean, American flag. Hi, Spencer! That was a camera from downstairs. Whoa! Woo-hoo! Yeah! Tree, be ashamed. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle time. Oh yeah, it's wiggle time. We're flying through the mountain. Double down. Oh, I didn't notice that last time. Woo! Oh yeah, boy. Gotta go fast. 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 Oh no, we're going too slow. Oh, I know. There's people going slow down there. Oh my god, that's so lame. That's so lame.
Alex! You made it!
Yeah, it was so much fun. Hi, Jim. Hi, Jim. Yay, what a great day. Oh my gosh, you guys, this place is actually so much fun. And I'm not paid to say this. I wish I was. Like, come on, Canyon Coaster Adventure Park, hit me up. Before we go, I am gonna buy one of these little Lego set things. I'm gonna get this cool lizard because it's got cool colors on it.
Need a sack.
No, I'm good.
You should get stopped by security.
Yeah, thanks. I've got proof I purchased this. Take care.
Oh my god.
Took you guys, he took your soul through the camera. Give it back. Give it back to them. Okay, thank God. Oh, that was scary. All right, you guys, we're heading out for the day. This was so much freaking fun. Had an absolute blast. And again, not paid to say that, but I want to be. Anyway, if you guys enjoyed, please be sure to leave a like on the video. Watch all these other videos on the screen before you, and I'll see you there. Bye.